Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Tips and Tricks by Professor Alex. Now today I'll talk about preparing for next year's taxes. Getting a jump start on next year's tax return will pay rich dividends later on. Planning now will help you next spring. It might be tempting not to give taxes another thought till next spring, but as you'll probably learn that while completing your tax return this year, a little bit of extra planning will help you save some hassle when it comes down to it all over again. Here are some of the easiest ways to start preparing for next year's taxes, plus some personal financial management tips that will help you year-round. First of all, set up your system. Whether you prefer high-tech financial management tools like digital walls, smartphone apps, accounting software, or just old-school options like a box, an envelope, and a spreadsheet, now it's time for start sorting for 2022. If, while completing your latest tax return, you saw that you'd finally learn a new accounting system starting now, it's the right time now to do it with less pressure. There's no wrong answer, just pick a system that works for you. Review your withholdings. If your employer automatically withholds taxes from your paycheck, now is a good time to make sure you're taking the correct amount. If you only work part-time, withholding may not be estimated according to your full-time salary. Maybe you have been paying too much. The same goes if you have started a job mid-year. Look at the balance due for taxes this year and adjust your withholding. If you overpaid, why wait till next year to get that refund? Adjust it a little bit more in your paycheck through the year. Reevaluate your retirement plan. If you are putting away enough for retirement, maxing out on a SEP plan, or taking advantage of an employer match, the IRS limits on tax-deductible IRA contributions can change, as can the level of benefit the employer provides. Check if you are putting away enough to offset your tax burden. Next point is prepare an income projection. Businesses prepare income projections to gauge their income and expenses. It can also be helpful for individuals and families. It's a projection that looks at cash flow, estimated taxes for the self-employed, and also stock options, bonuses, and other things impacting your income. If you're going to have a large balance due as your tax preparer, they're going to want to know sooner than rather later. Create an account on irs.gov. If you have already not done so, this is a great time to create an account on irs.gov. One of the benefits is that you can download a transcript of your tax account transactions, line by line tax return information or wage and income for a particular tax year. Like, where's my return tool for tax refunds which crashes during tax season due to heavy traffic. The IRS website should be easier to navigate after mid-April, and once the tax season passes, there is less likely to be a long queue before reaching technical support. Filing your taxes will probably never be fun, but being proactive when you're not under the filing deadline or the pressure can help ease some of that burden and save you time and frustration when April comes once again. Tax season might be wrapping in, but for smart taxpayers, a new season is just beginning. Thank you viewers for watching another episode of the show Tips and Tricks by Professor Alex. Thank you so much.